what you say. In case of the possibility you are not sure, then आप may, might और could को interchangeably इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Note maybe is a combination of may and be, but it is one word and is not an auxiliary. जब हम maybe को लिख रहे हैं तो ये it's a one word, it's not an auxiliary, so we should be careful when we write. It means the same as perhaps. Maybe means the same as perhaps. For example, the president said that there might be a strike yet next week. So it is just a possibility. The president is not sure yet. Another example, I don't know what I am doing tomorrow. I may go to the beach or I may stay home. So again, no surety, no clarity about what the speaker will do tomorrow. Example 3, it might be warmer tomorrow. It is again not surety of what the speaker says. Another example, I may not be able to go with you tonight. This is not sure whether he will be available or not. Another example, I don't know where James is. He could be at home. So the possibility of him be at home is not sure to the speaker. So as a result, you can use could. So the three words could, may and might are interchangeably used, and they mean likelihood. You are not sure of what you